Bagyo season na, madalas na ang power outage, kaya need mo na ng generator. Now, what brand to choose? Introducing the best-selling in Korea, Yamabisi. Reliable Yamabisi and Honda engine, industrial use for heavy works purposes, fuel efficient, matibay at reliable kahit ilang hours gamitin. Easy to operate and maintain, stable power output for homes and businesses. Compared to other brands, the Yamabisi generator is designed for dependable performance and long-term value. Hindi lang to pang emergency. Investment talaga for convenience and productivity. And for the warranty, legit 6 months. Our service center is located at Manila, Pampanga, Baguio, and Laguna. Or visit us here at KorWeld. Tara!